Hello everyone. Welcome to the Python practice series. And today we will study how to find the GCD and LCM of two numbers. Before watching this session, I request you to view the practice session 11 explaining the GCD of two numbers. It's important because for calculating LCM, we need to find the GCD first. So, what is GCD and LCM of two numbers? Well, LCM is the least common multiplier. To understand LCM, let's consider an example. Suppose you have two numbers 6 and 8. Write the multiples of both. First, for 6, we have 6, 12, 18, 24 and so on. For 8, we have 8, 16, 24, 32, 40 and so on. You see, 24 is the common number over here and we call it LCM. Consider another example. Take 3 and 5. So for 3, we will have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and so on. And for 5, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, etc. Here, 15 is the LCM of 3 and 5. I hope you understood what is LCM. And talking about GCD, it's the greatest common divisor. I won't be discussing GCD. If you want to learn what it means, please watch this episode, our practice session number 11. To calculate the LCM of two numbers, we multiply two numbers and divide that by GCD. This is the formula to get the LCM. Let's start writing the program. So, this is the program to calculate the GCD. We studied in the last Python practice session. Here, we take two inputs and apply the while loop to get the GCD. Again, if you have any doubt related to GCD, please refer to the last video session 11. To calculate the LCM with the help of GCD, we will edit this program. Here, we will do a slight modification. Store the input A and B in the variable T1 and T2 like this. Since calculating GCD, the values of A and B will change. It's better to store them in a temporary variable T1 and T2. After we have GCD, in the GCD variable, we will multiply T1 and T2 and divide that by GCD. That's nothing but our LCM. Let's print the GCD and LCM like this. Let's run the code and enter the value as 3 and 5. Well, we got the correct output. I hope now you can write a program to find the GCD and LCM of two numbers. If you have any query, please put that in the comment box. We'll be so happy to help you. Again, thanks for watching. And hey, if you don't want to miss any practice session, please subscribe to our channel.